She calls a man whenever she is lonely. She calls another man whenever she is serious. One man is always available, and the other is never taken for granted. Why? Is it because he is more richer, better looks, or more successfully? Not necessarily. In many cases, the biggest difference isn't what he owns. It is how he values himself. Today we are going to explore the psychology behind why some men become a backup option, while others become a man who women deeply respect and don't wanna lose. By the end of this video, you will know which man you are becoming and how to change if you don't like the answer. Let's begin. The good guy trap. Here's something most people never talked about. Many men who get taken for granted aren't bad men. They are kind, they are loyal, they are generous, they reply instantly, they always make time, they forgive everything. And ironically, those qualities alone don't guarantee respect. Being a good person is important, but being good without having standard often leads people to believe that you will accept everything. When someone knows you will always be there, no matter how they treat you, they will stop appreciating your presence. Human beings naturally value what can be lost. When effort becomes desperation, imagine meeting someone you really like. At first, everything feels amazing. You text every day, you laugh together, you think this could be something special. Then suddenly, she starts replying slower, she cancels plans, she says she's busy. Many men make one mistake right there. Instead of stepping back and observing, they double down their effort. More message, more compliments, more chasing, more explaining. They believe that if they laugh harder, they will fix their relationship. But attraction doesn't usually grow through pressure, because sometimes pressure pushes people even further away. Confidence isn't loud. People often confuse confidence with arrogant. Real confidence isn't loud. It doesn't need to prove anything. A confident man doesn't spend every minute wondering whether someone like him. He is focused on improving his own life. He has goals, he has hobbies, he has friendship. His happiness isn't built around one person's attraction. And ironically, that's what makes him attractive. Not because he's pretending not to care, but because his life already has purpose. The man who is respected, think about the people who you respect. They usually have something in common. They keep their words. They know their values. They don't abandon themselves just to please others. The same principle that applies in relationships. A man who respects himself communicates honestly. If something bothers him, he talks about it calmly. If his boundaries continue to be ignored, he walks away instead of begging someone to change. And that's not cruelty, that's self-respect. Stop making validation your mission. Here is one question that can change everything. If dating disappears for 1 year, who would you become? Would you build a career, get stronger, learn new skills, start a new business, read more books, travel? Most men discover they have been spending huge amount of energy trying to impress people instead of improving themselves. Imagine putting all that effort into becoming the best version of yourself. Eventually, people notice the difference without you trying to convince them. Healthy relationships are built on choice. The strongest relationships aren't built on fear. They are built on choice. Every day both people choose each other, not because they have no option, not because they are afraid of being alone, but because they genuinely enjoy building life together. And that's completely different mindset from chasing approval. Final thoughts. If you have recognized yourself as a man who always chases, don't beat yourself up. Awareness is the first step towards growth. Start respecting your own time. Develop your own goals, say what you mean, keep your promises. And remember this, never lose yourself trying to make someone else choose you. The right relationship won't require you to lose your dignity. It will encourage you to become the better version of yourself. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and comment. And if it's your first time in this channel, I recommend you to not subscribe. First watch another video from this channel, and if you also enjoy it, then you can subscribe and turn on the notification button so that you will be always updated every time I drop a new video in this channel. This is Fernando Mabjai, and I will see you in the next video.